Today we're making traffic cones that looks like mini snow-clad mountains. I made them for practicing surf skating. You can also use them to set up obstacle courses for exercising. I believe they're called cone drills. So what I like is that when they get crushed, you can pop them back into shape. They're made from craft felt, so you can wash them and you can also string them together, keep them organized, make them portable. So let's begin. This is 1 millimeter thick craft felt. If you use this thickness, you need to double up or the mountain will come out flimsy. However, if you can find felt with a thickness of 2 millimeters or above, then you just need one piece. So the pattern looks like this. You can download it on my Coffee page. So after you cut the pattern out, you trace it onto your felt. I added a 1 centimeter flap to one of the edges before I cut them out because it will make sewing easier. With felt, you don't have to worry about it fraying, and you can lay out your pattern any way you like, any direction you like. For the snow clad, I cut it out as is. So now we just overlap the ends and hand sew it together. I used the back stitch for the mountain piece and the whip stitch for the snow piece. We matched the seams of the 3 pieces and we will whip stitch the top together. If the snow part seems a bit tight, you can stretch out the felt fabric by pulling it a bit apart. Now we will create the snow drip. I don't know what that's called. So I just snipped out little triangles around the mountain, and then you can round out the tips if you want, and then I just tack them down onto the mountain. The last part is sewing the brim together, the bottom part together. So here I use my sewing machine because it's faster, but you can hand stitch it. You can use like a whip stitch or a back stitch. So here are the 2 millimeter thick felt ones. So if you have this tool, you can punch out the holes in 2 lines and use it as a guide for sewing. So if you do it this way, you don't have to add a flap. You can just knock out the holes and join them together, and the stitching will come out uniformly, so they will look nicer. I also make a string to hold them together, which is totally optional. You can just throw them in a bag. I tie a charm that is bigger than the hole on the top, and just tie a knot to secure the charm, and then added a cord stopper. So that is quite easy, huh? And you can hang it on your belt, hang it on your bicycle. It will look cute. So I hope you enjoy this DIY, and until next time, I don't know when. Okay, see you, bye.